that at the appropriate time.
Kenya, Mike Makarena here with us. Asifiwe. Hebu nisalimiwe. Bwana asifiwe.
And take us through the next part of.
It is not about our stomachs. It is not about how much money we make when we are in offices. It is about ourselves, our children, and the future of our children.
So let us not be afraid to offer leadership in our spheres of influence. Hata ukiambiwa iko wevu ya nani, if you think they are not qualified, please stand up. Can the real Merus stand up? And I know you are there. Let us give this country good leaders, like I said, starting from MCA, and the transformation we deserve will begin with the counties. It will be national. We are looking for a national revolution.
As Azimio has promised, they are going to increase the resources coming to the counties from 15 to 35%. I've talked to Raila personally. He has put it in his manifesto that once we elect him, he is going to strengthen devolution and the resources will be increased from 15 to 35%.
Ours is really to make a plea, even as you support us financially. I would like to request that you go down to our villages. This is our county. Governor Kiraitu and I and our families, First Lady and Secondly, we cannot manage to do this alone. We cannot reach all our villages. You all come from somewhere. You have relatives, you have brothers, you have got sisters, you have got your parents. Please go down to your villages and help us talk to your people.